Welcome back to Techy Sarvanand. If you've been doom-scrolling, thinking AI is about to take every single developer job, I need you to stop right now. Today, Saturday, December 20th, has given us 3 massive updates that paint a very different picture of the future. We are talking about Uber CEO dropping truth bombs about coding, SoftBank dumping a historic amount of cash into OpenAI, and Samsung changing the hardware game. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about your job. There is a lot of fear that AI is replacing software engineers. But Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi just went on record with a fascinating insight. He confirmed that Uber is actually hiring more engineers, not fewer, despite using heavy AI automation. Why? Because AI allows developers to do more. He called engineers who use AI superhumans. The takeaway for us is clear. The demand for software is infinite. If you learn to use these tools, you aren't being replaced. You are becoming 10 times more productive. The bar for entry is lowering, but the ceiling for what you can build is getting higher. So, don't quit coding. Just start adapting. Next, follow the money. SoftBank is reportedly finalizing a massive $22.5 billion investment into OpenAI. To put that in perspective, that is one of the largest single tech investments we have ever seen. This signals that the AI bubble isn't bursting anytime soon. SoftBank is betting that OpenAI's next model, likely the GPT-6 or the new O-series updates, will be the infrastructure for the entire global economy. For us consumers, this means we can expect AI models to get much smarter, much faster, very soon. The race is heating up, and nobody is slowing down. Finally, software is nothing without hardware. Samsung has just unveiled the Exynos 2600, the world's first 2nm mobile chip. This is huge. Current phones are powerful, but this 2nm architecture means the chip is incredibly dense and efficient. It is specifically designed to run heavy Agentic AI tasks directly on your phone without needing the cloud. This means your next Galaxy phone will likely have an AI assistant that is faster, more private, and doesn't drain your battery in 2 hours. The era of true on-device AI is officially here. So to recap, Uber says devs are safe if they adapt, SoftBank is fueling the AI rocket, and Samsung is building the engine. The future is bright, tech family. If you found value in this update, smash that like button and subscribe to Techy Sarvanand for your daily dose of AI news. I'll catch you in the next one.